Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a paper puppy. We are making a paper puppy. What do we need for this project? We'll need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a ruler, a plastic stencil, and also two different colors of crayon. I'm using a wax crayon here, so, and basically black and red. So let's get into it. We're going to start by measuring our paper sheet to confirm the size of that paper, of our paper. We have size 8.5 by 8.5 here. So for us to be sure, let's do the measurement. This is 8.5 here and 8.5 here. So that's 8.5 by 8.5 inches of paper. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to fold our paper into 2 equal halves to form a triangle like this. 2 equal halves to form a triangle. See that? That's it. Basically, we're going to form a triangle like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is to draw out our puppy eyes. Do you know the magic in this? We're going to use our pair of scissors to draw the puppy eyes. The bottom part of the pair of our scissors, we're going to use it to draw the puppy eyes, just like this. You see that? Then you go to the other side like this. You also draw out the second eyes. So we have our puppy eyes right away. Then we are still going to use this same scissors to draw our puppy nose like this. We are drawing our puppy nose like this. That's the puppy nose. After drawing the nose of our puppy, we are going to measure ½ inch down from that puppy nose, or a ¼ inch. I think a ¼ inch is good. We're going to draw a ¼ inch down like this. Then we're going to use our same scissors to draw our puppy mouth. In this project, our puppy is going to poke out his tongue to look really like a puppy. You see that? That's our puppy mouth. Then the next thing, we are going to use our stencil, our same stencil, to draw our puppy tongue. We're drawing the puppy tongue now, just like this. You see that? Then another thing, we're not just going to give our puppy just a blank eye like that. We're going to use this stencil to also give our puppy a eye reflection. A eye reflection, just like this and like this, because we want our puppy to look real. Alright, so the next thing is the coloring part. We're now going to use the black pencil to color her puppy eyes. The first thing we do is go around the puppy eyes so that we don't color the reflection. Then the next thing, we go around the circle so that we are not going out of our boundary or out of the shape. So the next thing, is covering it up like this. After tracing out the circle, you cover it up like this. We go like this, and you see that that's our puppy eyes now coming out. Okay, then next we go to the second puppy eye. We go round and round. Make sure we are not coloring off the reflection, like I said earlier. You keep going. You make sure you're careful not to go out of our shape. Not to go out of the shape. So we keep coloring until everything is covered, well covered. Okay, that's it. Keep coloring, make sure it's the darker the better. The darker the better. That's it for the eyes. We're also going to color the nose black. We go around the shape first, a circle. I mean, these are sphere, a sphere. This is a sphere, not a circle. We go around the sphere shape. Go around like that. You're careful enough not to make coloring go outside the shape. Right. So that's it for the puppy nose. I think we're done with the puppy nose now. The next thing is to color our puppy tongue. We're going to color our puppy tongue right away, just like this. The same way we'll go around the shape first, so that we are not going outside our shape, to make our project very neat. Keep going like this. Then after we're done with the edges, then we'll go straight right inside like this. Yeah, we go this way like this. That's our puppy tongue done. So we're still going to retrace the puppy mouth. We want it to be darker. We want it to be well highlighted. It needs to be darker to be highlighted, as in to make it visible. You see that? Make sure we want the mouth to be visible. That's it. Good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to form our puppy ears. How do we do that? We're going to measure the folded part like this of our triangle to know how many inches we have right there. As you can see, we have basically 12 inches. Yes. Then we're going to mark the center points. That will be 12 divided by 2. That gives us 6. So we're going to mark the center point as 6 inches. 6 inches, correct. 6. Mark it. I don't want to use this pencil. I don't want our project to be ruined. I want something that can be easily erased. Okay, that's the center point. So therefore, from that center point, we're going to measure 2 inches to the right, like this. Mark it again. And 2 inches to the left. I'm using a tailor's chalk anyway, so that we can find it very easy to erase after we're done with the measurements. So that's it. 2 inches to the right from that center point and 2 inches to the left from the center point. So we are making that to form our puppy's ears. So the next thing we'll do is place your thumb, your index thumb, on the side, right beside the mark. Then you bring it down like this. You see that? Then you as well put your thumb like this. That's it. Voila. We have our puppy right here. Our puppy looks so good. So good. That is it. That is our puppy. So the next thing for us to have a puppy that will be able to sit, we're going to fold the back part like this, so that our puppy will be able to sit comfortably. Okay, that's just like a stand for the puppy to sit. You see that? So if you are watching us right now and you're new on this channel, share this video and also subscribe. We love to see your comments. We also love to see your own project. You can as well share it on our own page, on our comment section. See you in the next one. Bye bye.